Got some pop, some water. Take a look at this. We got Reaper's Eye, $45. National Security, we got $48. Sea Breeze, we got $48. Sniper Fire, $40. Double Thump, $57. Artillery Shells, $35. Keisha Camaro, $24. Some artillery shell ball shells, $8. Double Dragons are $29. Akishi Blast, $24. Echo in the Ear, $24. Scatter Bombs, $20. Super Magnums are $33. Absolute Power, $16. Festival Balls, $9. Crackling Shells, $9. And Festival Shells for Bright Star is $9. Neon Bronze, $27. More Festival Balls. Boomer, $8. Artillery Shells are $8 by Monkey Mania. Festival Balls, $9. Sword Artillery Shell is by Winda, $11. Festival Balls by Winda's $10. Assorted Whistling Busters are $11. Got 109 on Road to America. 109 on For Goodness Snake. Just Giver is $120. And Golden Peacock is $99. Here, Pandemonium is $100. Got Disco Ball, $99. Magnum Trimmer is $99. And Party Like It's 1776, $105. Chroma Chameleon is $95. Ring is $99. Jellyfish Aquarium is $99. Ghost Killer is $90. Battle Cry is $99. Midnight Sun is $99. Yin Yang is $99. Pyro Candy is $99. I Want You $99. And 7 is $99. Shot this one before. Uncle Sam is $99. It's a really good willow effect. Neon Jellyfish is $99. Ghost Shell is $99. Pyro Particles is $42. Shrimp Gator is $41. Sublime is $37. Imagination is $40. Mobsters is $38. Spider Nebula is $35. Bumpin' Trumpin' is $56. Loud and Proud is $45. Huge Gold Strobe is $40. Shot Hawaiian Dream Before It's a Good Cake is $43. Fighting Rooster is $55. And Neon Swimming Stars is $58. Cross the Line is $43. Tada is $35. Chaotic Incident is $95. Prime Rain is $30. And Big Mother Clucker is $56. Got all these up here. Got Crop Circles at $32. Broadcast Frequency is $35. Till Death Do We Part is $49. Bang Bros is $47. And American Intense is $48. Impressionist is $55. Color Rage is $43. Bullet Blossoms is $58. Crop Circles once again is $32. Proudly We Hail is $50. Hunker Down $28. And Spider-Man is $44. Eagle Pride $44. Angry Panda is $38. Morning Breath is $36. Can't Touch This is $38. Helefa Sexy is $42. All Gas No Brakes $53. Magic is $41. That's not a bad cake. Shot that one before. Wine O'Clock is $60. Skyfall's a Good Cake at $57. Demon Stinger is $27. Hit the Road Jack is $39. Pucker Up is $19. Hit the Road Jack again is $39. And Broadcast Frequency is $35. Sea Breeze is $48. Nightlight is $43. Split Personality is $42. And Reaper's Eye is $45. Witch Doctor, $40. Rush Hour is $73. That's a nice 3-minute long cake, guys. Gorgiosity is $50, 48 shots. Notorious is $21. Agent of Boom is $33. Got a nice little backpack of little stuff for little kids is $20. I'll try to finish this up before we move on. Bloodhound is $48. Artillery Shell is $38. And Wing of Fires, I shot that one, it's $58. You also got Club Mix. That's a nice little mix of everything, $60. 1 Minute Ride is $31. Silent Power is $19. It's a nice little cake. Nuclear Fission is $20. Too Fishy, $11. And Bottoms Up, I shot that for the first time last year, is $30. Junkyard Dog is $46. Superman is $44. And Cool Party is $35. All right, check for part 2 coming up after this.